Alright guys, here we go. Another quick unboxing video of mostly paint supplies that have come in. I got a couple more boxes coming in, and then we're going to fill up the desk top with all the colors, and then we're going to get fully organized. Here's the box that came in, and I already cracked it open ahead of the video. And a kit, of course, is in there. Let's spin this around before I go through the box individually. There we go. Let's get our packing supplies out. And that's what we're looking at. I got the camera set at a certain angle, so I'm going to hold everything up. Alright. Alright, let's go through it. Let's see what we got. We have brand new panel liner. For me anyway, it's brand new. It's from AK Interactive. This is black camouflage. I'm going to try different kinds of washes above and beyond Tamiya, or Tamiya, however you guys pronounce it. This is white and winter camo. So I guess if it's white, you know, they're telling you to go dark. So I believe this is a lighter color. I have not cracked these open. Obviously, I just got the box. So let's see. Yeah, it's a gray. Hold on, let me line this up for you guys. Yep, it's a light gray. No smell. So it's a acrylic based panel wash. Tamiya is enamel based, but I wanted lighter colors for some darker color panel lining. You know, on the blue, some of the blue kits. To reverse that. Alright, let's see what else we got. It's a 3-pack, 6-pack here. Let's cut this open. Let's see what we got. Oh, these things are packed. Extreme metal from AK Interactive, bronze. This required its own unique thinner, and it is solvent based. I hope you guys can really see the color. Great reviews on this. I heard even cover. You can't even see the metal flake in them, which is something I'm always looking for. This is metallic smoke. Great color. Extreme metal, AK Interactive. All right, let's move on. Let's see what we got. Extreme metal, brass. Look at that. And I think you get pricing is quite good. This is these are all under $5, well under $5 for this stuff, and this is high quality stuff here. Check this out. Extreme metal, metallic purple, and this is a thin, almost a metal material purple. So if I want to do a Gundam in a purple but not make it look plastic, this is the way I'm going to go. I'm going to go with this purple metal look, and I think it's going to look terrific. Let's keep going here. Titanium. I could see gold mixed in here with this. I'm going to have to shake this up quite a bit. Titanium. But it looks a little goldish. It looks more the color up here. So, what is this misfit here? Oh, it's another brand. This is the E7. These are brands. This brand is almost a direct copy of Gaia Notes, Gaia Paints. What we got here? Sand green, gray color. Looks like Haro, which I'm looking straight at. We'll put these off to here. I'm not sure what else has come in with these, but it seems to be something packed here. Let's check this out. Always cut away. Always cut away. Oh, more metal. I don't know why he packed this one separate. White aluminum, extreme metal. Very fine pigments. You can just tell on some of them. Some have that. I'll show you what I mean. Yeah, this is an extreme way of showing it, but see this this aqueous. This is their Mr. Colors equivalent to, say, Tamiya's acrylics. It's a solvent-based acrylic, but see how you can see the metal flake on that. I mean, most of theirs don't. That's on purpose. That looks like that. So I like these metals that have the very fine pigment in them. So this is white aluminum. Still going on that. I think there's another package in here just like that. Yep, another one. Let's grab that. The other video went a little long in the unboxing, so we're going to try and speed this one up. Pale brass. Now, don't we have brass over here already? Oh, yeah, they're completely different. Completely different. Pale brass. This is great. And it's pre-thinned for the airbrush, so that's a lot of airbrushing you're going to get out of this $4 jar. All right. Let's see what we got that goes with AK. Okay. White spirits. This is to use for this. You kind of match the labeling. You see the top with the orange lettering? It'll even tell you at the top, panel liner for white, panel liner for black. Obviously the lighter color. Yeah, and it called for a white spirit, which is mineral spirits. You can get one that has no smell to it at where I live. We have Lowe's and Home Depot. You buy the cans of that stuff, and you'd probably do the same thing. But this is what they recommend for their panel lining. Here is their acrylic paint cleaner. Not that I have any acrylic paints. They haven't come in yet. So we'll see what else we got. And this is their extreme thinner. Now this is for the extreme metal. Can you see that? So that's it even says it for the extreme metal color range. So this is its own solvent-based high-quality airbrush cleaner for our extreme metal range. It can be used in all our range of metallic colors and for other purposes like cleaning tools, diluting putty, or with any other paint that has the same base components. So this is all out of Spain. All this stuff, it's a Spanish product line. Anything with AK, ammo by MiG, all by the same guy pretty much. So that's what this is. This is for these, so we'll put that here. And here's a cleaner for acrylic paints, which I just said that acrylic paints have not come in yet. I believe they're on their way in. And the rest of the AK we have is right here, which is the 3rd gen thinner. These are the paints that are coming in. This 3rd generation acrylics. Heard nothing but great things. They don't even have the ball bearing in the paint anymore to shake it, because you don't have to shake it anymore. They got a new technology that grinds the pigment so fine that they don't even require shaking at all. So I'm going to try these 3rd gens. This is the next package I think coming in, is this 3rd gens. We got pretty much a good batch of the lineup. So the acrylic thinner came in first, it seems. All right. Let's go again with another one of these. All right. Oh, this is more in line with this lineup. This is the E7 paints. Yep, E7 Violet. Hard to see that. It's just closer to the label, but it's hard to see on the camera. E7 Metallics. This is... Oh, here we go. Green gold. Maybe it matches more of the cap, but it's a... You can see the green and the gold with the light. All right. Primary color, just green, straight green. This is a dark green. It looks blue on camera here, but it's green. It's really dark, like Dynamis, like Dynamis' shield. That's what that looks like. Lavender, the basics. These are their basics lineup, telling you it's the base colors, primary colors. That's how they break theirs down. But these are very similar to Gaia Notes. That's lavender. Show the color. All right, obviously yellow. To be sure, it's lemon yellow. That's a pretty bright yellow. Magenta. Wow, this is a really nice red. Purple and red combined, it kind of looks like. And I noticed 20 milliliters. That's a lot. These squeeze bottles, which seems to be the standard, these are 17, and these are more than Mr. Paints. So this being at 20 is a real good value. At around, I think they're like $5 a jar, I believe. All right, let's try another one. Here we go again. Do that on camera backwards without cutting yourself. It's a talent. All right, we have cyan. That's a beautiful blue. Boy, that's deep. Wow. I think the LED lighting throws this stuff off as far as the camera goes. As far as airbrushing goes, here's my spray booth there. It's perfect, you know. I couldn't even pronounce that. Palatinate blue. And that is your basic blue. Almost French blue. Oh, we got the metallics. Silver. Can't have enough silver, right? I think this one's dried up, guys. I think we're looking at a dried up jar. No, it's got a protective lid, but I think there's nothing in this one. We will check on that one. I think that one's empty, guys. Primary royal blue. Very nice looking. Wow, that's a good looking blue. Indigo. Almost purple. This is a kind of like Sandrock's alternate color. The purple shoulders. That's what this looks like, if you guys know the kit I'm speaking of. Red gold. Trying to see if I can show it from the top. Yeah, that's more of the heavy metallic-y gold. Looks more like brass to me, but red gold. All right, and then we have new decal solvent. This is new to AK, to soften your decals over the curves and rivets and whatnot. It says derived back from the bottle, moisten the decal already placed with the liquid using a brush. So you put this on top, leave it for a few minutes and let the product react. Later, with the help of a brush, move the property to the surface of the model. It can be varnished once it's done. Don't touch standard stuff. But this is a new product for them, not too expensive. I like to try new products, but I know the new 3rd gen product line is getting rave reviews, and if this is part of that, then I would like to try it. All right, and then we got just a couple other items that we're done. I use these quite a bit. I got the Tamiya ones, but we're going to try these from Mr. Hobby. These are flat. These aren't like round like the ones you would put in your ear. And these are the points, which I love to use from Tamiya. But they're also flat on one side. Tough to see, but they're flattened, which is pretty good. So you can kind of get it along the surface with these. But again, I believe these were like $2 or $3, so it's worth a shot. Worth a shot. We gotta try them. And I got some decals. We got kanji letters from Japan. Oh, hard to see that. That's silver. These are black. They got the protective cover. I guess they have. They told me they had all different sizes. You know, I don't even know how small these are for small areas, but I think this is high grade size, and this would be your master grade size. And depends the size of the kit, because obviously there's different scales to the kits. Here's purple. And here's some digital camouflage. They had green, so I grabbed what I could try. I wanted gray. That's what the color I wanted. But I love this digital camouflage. I've always wanted to try it. And that's that. And I guess the rest is just a couple of kits. I got Orange Haro because I'm currently watching 00 again, one of my favorite series. And this is Lock-On's Haro, the orange. So I'm going to put him next to the Dynamis as a display. So it was kind of tricky to find this guy. So once I found him, I grabbed him. And let's see what else was in here. The LBX Odin. I think this is a fairly new kit. I wanted to custom paint this thing. And it looks like it transforms. Yes, this is the transforming lineup they just started doing. They're getting a little more detailed on these. as opposed to the earlier kitty kits. I got one over here somewhere. I gotta look for him, a little joker. But they started advancing these a little bit, more detailed. You can see the frame. They're trying to go with more detailed frame, more articulation. And then you can switch them around as far, yeah, here it is, the transformation. More color separation, nice decals. Multiple hands. I mean, the original kits were like $12. These are a little more. And I guess they're trying to get more of the older crowd, or they're advancing them. And that's it. That's it for now. I got more stuff coming in. I will shoot that video too when everything else comes in. And we will take it from there. But that's all for now. And I'll even give you updates as to how these paints are. If you guys want to know how they were, you can drop me a note. And maybe I'll do them first. You know, we'll test them first. Particularly this metal lineup. And we'll see how they work. And then I got to try this decal softener to see how that works, because I haven't tried that yet. All right, guys. You have a good one. Enjoy your building while we're in this quarantine. And we'll talk to you soon.